Hello guys, it's Yordanka here. Half moon pose. Externally rotate in the left side. Let's keep the hips facing to the right side of the mat. We're gonna find the weight of the body. Balancing on the left foot, try to grab the mat, engage in the foot lock. The upper body and the right leg are in one line. And from here, we're gonna bend from the left hip joint and we're gonna find our balance all the way down, keeping the left fingertips on the mat in front of the left foot. Spreading the shoulders, keep the hips open. Maybe you're gonna keep the right ankle flexed to engage fully the muscles of the right leg. Try to spread the shoulders, the head is extension, the spine. Maybe you're gonna look down or to the side, wherever it's comfortable for you. Maybe you can keep the right leg parallel with the mat or lift it up in a diagonal. The hips are open, so this is the difference from the third warrior, that our hips are open. And if you're flexible, you can bend the right knee and you can hold to the right foot, and here the foot is kicking inside of the palm. And we are not pulling up, but back. If this is too difficult, maybe you're gonna keep the front knee bent, or you can use a block or maybe a chair for support underneath the left palm. How we're gonna come out of the posture, bending the left knee, engaging that left leg, and you're gonna come all the way up. Or maybe you can find your balance in half moon pose. Usually we come in that posture from a triangle pose or from extended side angle, from second warrior. Then it's a bit more easier to find the balance because the head is already down and you are finding your gazing point in front of the mat, bending that left knee and then finding the balance. That's easier. Or from extended side angle. If this is not accessible for you, if that posture is too difficult and you're not sure if you attempt it or not, let's try from a tabletop pose. Extend the right leg back, open the hips to the right, find here your own degree. If your hips are not open, maybe you're gonna point the left foot back, reaching with the right arm up, finding your balance, and voila, right leg is up in the air. Make sure here not collapsing on the shoulders. Maybe you can come on your fingertips to play around and find this balance. And here is a great opportunity to work on the bind, holding the right foot. The right foot is kicking inside of the palm, stretching the hip flexors. Very nice. I hope that you like that posture. Drop me a comment if you tried that video, and I would like to know how does it feel for you. See you next time.